Hey everybody, Ian here, TradeStalker.com with a quick recap for you for May 8th, 2018. You can take a look and see how the market sold off from yesterday, where Mike was talking about that he was expecting a sell-off because everything had gone so high. And you can see, coming into today, we got that gap down, some of that continuation, and these are the levels here that Mike had given from the prior day for today's action. And you can see we got a sell-off initially down into the 62.5 to 63.5 area. It did come back up and test this intermediate 66 level before trying to attempt to get down to the 58. Didn't quite get there. You can see it came up and just got below the 66 again, and then came back and finally made it all the way up to the 72.5 to 73.5 area, just barely poked above there. And you can see these, the strong reaction that you got off here that took it all the way back down in this area. Mike had been talking about getting short based off that strong reaction. That's pretty typical of a move that's going to continue. You got another test of the 63.5, 62.5, and then finally down to the 58 to 57.5, which was the target that Mike was looking for, from the prior day for the sell to begin with. And then you can see we got a nice reaction off that level, which is typical of a lot of his stronger levels, or the deeper levels, I could say. All the way back up to the 66 again. It struggled, came back down again to this 58. Got some of a double bottom here, and then got another spike, and then once again talking about selling, and then finally made it down to this 53 to 53.5 to 54.5, and really to 52, which was another level that he was giving as sort of like a final level to look for. And then you can see exactly what happened. We got a strong reaction off that into the close. So a nice day of trading with the levels, and especially having Mike's his analysis from the prior day, the spreadsheet, and what he says intraday to coordinate all that stuff. If you like what you see, definitely recommend subscribing, and also picking up his ebook, Read the Greed, which goes through a lot of these setups and is really helpful. Hope you guys have a great evening.